What if I told you that our world is far stranger than science admits? From particles that teleport to ancient technologies no one can explain. These aren't myths. These are real scientific puzzles that still confuse experts today. Stay with me, because these 10 bizarre facts may change the way you see reality itself. Welcome to Fact Miracle, where science feels like magic. In this video, we explore 10 shocking discoveries and scientific mysteries that challenge everything we think we know about the universe. Each one is real. Each one is unexplained. And by the end, you'll understand why even scientists are scratching their heads. Let's begin with the strangest truth of all. In the quantum world, particles don't follow the rules of everyday life. Electrons and photons can exist in two different locations at the same time, a phenomenon called quantum superposition. This isn't science fiction. Scientists have proven it in controlled experiments. It forces us to ask, if the basic building blocks of reality behave like this, what does that say about the nature of existence itself? Your heart isn't just a pump. It generates the strongest electromagnetic field in your body, even stronger than your brain. This field extends several feet around you and changes with your emotions. Researchers have found that people nearby can unconsciously sense each other's heart rhythms. So the question is, are we communicating in ways science is only beginning to measure? Modern science once believed plants were passive. But new experiments show that plants react to sound, respond to human touch, and communicate through chemical signals and underground networks. Some plants even warn each other about danger. It's almost as if the forest has its own internet. If life is more connected than we think, what else are we missing? Here's something mind-bending. Time does not flow at the same speed everywhere. According to Einstein's relativity, time runs faster on a mountain than at sea level. Scientists measured this using atomic clocks, and the effect is real and measurable. So technically, the higher you live, the faster you age. Reality isn't uniform. It bends and shifts. Across the world, animals behave strangely before earthquakes, tsunamis, or storms. Dogs bark uncontrollably. Birds flee. Cows cluster together. This is documented enough that some governments use animals as early warning systems. Science still can't fully explain how they sense danger before instruments detect anything. It's a mystery, but one that might save lives. One of the strangest medical mysteries is the placebo effect. A patient believes they're being treated, and their condition actually improves, even if the treatment was fake. Pain decreases. Symptoms vanish. The body heals itself simply because the mind expects it to. If belief alone can produce measurable healing, imagine what human consciousness is capable of. Several controversial experiments suggest that water can retain subtle structural changes after coming into contact with different substances. This idea is called water memory. While not yet fully accepted by mainstream science, these findings keep resurfacing in labs around the world. If water does hold memory, then considering our bodies are mostly water, what does that say about us? Here's something that bothers physicists every single day. According to the laws of particle physics, the universe should have destroyed itself right after the Big Bang. Matter and antimatter should have annihilated each other completely. And yet, here we are. Scientists cannot explain why anything exists at all. The universe itself is a miracle. Researchers in Japan made a shocking discovery. Human bodies emit a very faint visible light, a natural bioluminescence. It peaks in the afternoon and fades at night. Our eyes can't see it, but sensitive cameras can. We literally glow. Just far too softly for us to notice. The final fact is as strange as it gets. Modern physics suggests our universe may have more than 3 dimensions, possibly 11. These extra dimensions could explain gravity, dark matter, and quantum behavior. Some scientists believe that what we call paranormal phenomena might be interactions between dimensions. If this is true, our reality is just one layer of something far bigger. The world is far stranger, deeper, and more miraculous than we were taught. And the more we learn, the more questions appear. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, subscribe to Fact Miracle, where science feels like magic.